Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a program called as faketime. This program is used to manipulate the system time for a given command. Basically, in CTFs, you might get binaries which will not run after a given date and time, right? And you might want to just run it to see how it would have behaved. Now, this uses a very common technique which is called as LD preload. Which loads a small library which interprets system calls to functions such as time and fstat. Now, what this will allow you to do is basically, as you can understand, you can give the time which you want to use, and then for that program that you want to run with this, will see the time that you have mentioned in your example, in your command line. There are some examples given here. You can say something like fake time last Friday 5 p.m. and then run bin date. I can show this to you. So we will open a new terminal and run this command. And you can see that it shows Friday and then 5 p.m. Right? Similarly, you can say any date and time that you want it to show, and it will show you that date and time. Bin date, as you know, in itself will show you the current date and time. But fake time is giving this as current date and time to bin date, so it is printing this. Similarly, you can say plus 2 year, 2, 5 year, uh, and run it in a while loop as well. So you can see how this works. So as you can see, it started with the time that we have given it, 2027, and 2 years about, and uh, then, okay, so now what we want to do is rather than date, we want to try it with some other command where we have a restriction of using that command after a certain date and time. So what I have done is I have generated a C program that will show you whether it is working or not after this specific date. So I am using JabGPT for this again. And I am saying, if you want to know more about JabGPT, you can search my channel and you will find a lot of videos that are covering JabGPT. But we are using OpenAI and model is GPT 5.2. And the prompt I am using is I need a C program that will stop working after 10th of December 2024 to test fake time program. Okay. Now, as you can see, it is giving a harmless date gate test program. And what it basically does is it is just checking is after 2024, 12/10, that is the date we have given. It takes time now and then basically does uh, it checks whether it is greater than the date that we have given or not. And then depending on that, it prints observed date is after. If we have the date after 2024, 10th December. Otherwise, it is printing this statement. Okay. So this is just simulating what a simple check for a license could look like, worst case scenario, right? Now, what we will do is we will just copy this in this time.c, and you can see that I have already copied the exact same program here. And then we can do gcc time.c minus o time. If you run time on its own, you can see that it is saying that observed date is after 2024, 10th of December. But we can run it with fake time. So if we just say, let's say last year, you can still say that it is observed date is after 2024, 12/10. But we can also give the date and time here, right? So I will give a date and time of 2024, 12th month, and let's say 09 date. And you can see that this is on or before the specified date. And if I give this as 11, then you can see that this is after the specified date. So this is how you can basically control the date that is seen by any program. And actually, I can probably try to show you this in a uh, if we can run a program that will keep printing it. Okay, so what we can do is vi time.c, and we will do while one gcc time. We want to change it such that we can do a sleep here. So I will do a sleep of, let's say, 10 seconds or 1 second. No, 10 seconds is fine. We need to add sleep. It should be -3, I guess. -3 or -3. Yeah. So this is in unistandard.h. We will add that. std.h, and then we can come down to sleep, and this is in seconds. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, now we can see that this is printing time after every 10 seconds. Now what we can do is ps minus ef to grep for time. We can find the PID for this and then say fake time 2024, let's say 1010, and then minus P and the PID. And fake time minus F. I think minus P we have to give this. So 2024 10 10. Okay, I don't know why this is not working. This is supposed to work, but it is not working. So, and that would be all for today. Thank you.